Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess
Set designer.
you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
Hi, my name is Maximiliano Valencia, and I'm a set designer. My job as a set designer is to create worlds that do not exist.
What's the coolest part of your job?
One of the most exciting things that I do in my career, I do what I love doing. So every day, I can get up and draw, create, and then I can make my drawings reality by building them.
What tools do you use to get the job done?
It takes many different tools: pencils, art, sketching, big toys for grown-ups, your table saws, your miter saws, but the most important tool is your brain.
Are you still learning?
I'm always learning different techniques. I'm always studying and working with different products, so it never stops.
What super skill do you use in your career?
The super skills that I use is always being on time, because your client has a deadline, they have to get certain things done. You have to make sure that you always get your creations done on time, and if as long as we can make them successful, we can be successful.
What an amazing career!
Also, use your teamwork super skill to get the job done.
Just imagine all the things you could be.